Hello and welcome everybody to our lightboard session. Today I'm really excited to show you the main installation aspects when it comes to PyPSA-Earth SEC. First of all, I want to give you a little teaser. You can definitely run PyPSA on your operating system. So there are no excuses anymore. It doesn't matter if you have Windows or Linux or Mac OS, you should be able to run PyPSA on your operating system. And since PyPSA is based on Python code, we also need a robust software actually for organizing and writing our code. And for this, we are using VS Code. VS Code is actually not just a code editor, it has also this integration with GitHub and in GitLab. And especially with the combination of VS Code in GitLab and GitHub, we have an efficient source code management, and we also can easily collaborate our code with other people. And now we are already on the magic ingredient of this course. I'm talking about how to download PyPSA. For this, we need again our VS Code terminal in combination with GitHub. And actually, PyPSA is full of Python packages. So there were already some experienced programmers who have created these Python packages in order that we have an easy time using it. For example, for data management, for optimization, but also plotting some nice results. And for this, we need to install actually these packages. And again, probably you are not surprised anymore. We can do this with our code editor, VS Code terminal, in combination with the package manager Conda. And also watch out to use virtual environments for your packages and for each specific project. Because by this, every project actually has its own Python packages, and by this you do not influence each other project. And now we have reached the time you have been probably waiting for. Now we can finally run PyPSA. And we can do this by using, again, VS Code terminal in combination with SnakeMake. SnakeMake is our workflow management system in order that we get a clear overview about all the processes behind PyPSA. And there we go. We have reached the end of this lightboard session. I hope all of these aspects kind of give you now a clear overview about the installation process of PyPSA. Thank you.